So let's talk about Petunia seeds. I don't know why I'm talking in an English accent. It's one way to start a video. Petunias in a pot, been growing all summer in the greenhouse. They seeded themselves from the previous year because I ripped all the plants out of the pot, and this is what grew: purple and white. Now, to get seeds from these guys, it's not that hard. The seeds, of course, are in the flower bud things. You can see the ones that have dried. Let's see here. You can feel the ones that have seeds in them. Some of them do, some of them don't. That one doesn't. There you go. Let me grab you without blocking the camera. Oh, that one does. I really need to get a camera and a lapel lapel microphone. Yeah, somebody suggested I do that so that you can hear me better. Hello, can you hear me? Anyway, the seeds are not in the long part of the flower. They are in the little stubby base that's left. So, there they are. Let's put them here and watch as the magic happens. See them falling? Ta-da! Now I have purple petunia seeds. I'm going to gather up a whole bunch because I got another plant over there and this one to finish. I'm going to put them in those medicine containers, label them, because I didn't label shit last year and it really screwed me up. What can I say? Anyway, and then I will let them sit over winter in the greenhouse in a little cabinet. And then we should have petunias next spring when I plant them. That's about all I have to say. I hope this particular video, I don't know why I can't talk today. It's really bothering me. Anyway, I am going to end this now because I can't talk. Maybe I'll just redo this. I don't know. Fuck it.